you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could.
Hey you guys, welcome back for a super satisfying extreme clean of my entire house. We're going to be hitting areas throughout the entire house. Today I was actually planning to release my daughter's winter wonderland first birthday party prep for you guys, but this is me cleaning the house before that whole event. So I decided to release this one first, and then I'll release that next week. So stick around for that, and stick around for this video, guys, because it's going to be super satisfying, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit.
My life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right.
So of course, as always, I'm starting off in the kitchen, because to me, if the kitchen is clean, it just gives me motivation to clean the rest of the house. Let me know down below if you guys are the same way. What's the first room that you like to clean when you're doing a whole house clean? But yeah, guys, here we're just gonna be, we already got the dishes done, we're gonna get the counters cleared, wiped down, but the big thing that we're gonna be doing in the kitchen is my oven, you guys. For Thanksgiving, my oven was destroyed. I made mac and cheese and the grease just spilled all to the bottom of the oven, and now whenever I bake something, it smells like there's like a fire, there's a bunch of smoke. So I have to get that really scrubbed down. I tried to use some Dawn power wash, and I thought that was gonna work along with some all-purpose cleaner. I don't have an oven cleaner, so I didn't know what to do, and I read on Google that you can use baking soda with a little bit of warm water. So I did that, and then I let it sit, and I'll show you guys towards the end of the video in the nighttime me scrubbing that away. And it's so satisfying to see where it comes from, because guys, I just really needed to do this because I'm cooking for my daughter's birthday, and I don't want the house smelling like smoke. When people walk in, they're gonna be like, what is this lady doing? Does she know how to cook? Do I want to have this food? So yeah, we're gonna do that, and then also wipe down the appliances and all that good stuff.
Give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
You guys, speaking of Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. I wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving on Instagram, but if you don't have me there, happy Thanksgiving, you guys. Please let me know down below how your Thanksgiving was. I love reading all your comments. I want you guys to know that I try very hard to reply to every single one of your comments, and I love reading them. And some of you guys leave such sweet, encouraging comments, and I really appreciate it. It makes my day. It honestly does. So let me know down below, how is your Thanksgiving? What did you do? What are your family traditions for Thanksgiving? Are you a host? Do you usually host Thanksgiving, or do you usually attend at a family member's house, or whatever the case is? And really quick also, I just want to introduce myself. If this is your first time here or the first time clicking on one of my videos, thank you so much for deciding to do that. My name is Josie, and I'm a wife and a first time mom to a 1-year-old baby girl, just turned 1 year old. And on my channel, you'll find a ton of cleaning motivation, a ton of decor. I just released all my Christmas decor videos, and I'll have that linked below or linked up above here. And as well, we just moved into this house, so there's a ton to do, a ton of organization. Last week I did do a whole closet organization where we installed our closet maids and got that all organized, and we're going to be doing pantry organization and makeovers and all that good stuff in this new house. So if that's your jam, make sure that you stick around, hit that red subscribe button so that you can become part of our little fam, our little community here, and it would mean so much to me.
No one knows that I want you close. I'm not overthinking feelings. I just need you to know that I want you close. Closer than before. I know that we've been through a lot. Now we're hiding in the crowd. I'll be whatever you want me to be. You know I'm on your side. And I feel like I'm running in circles around you. And I know I've been acting strange for a while.
So you guys, really quick, you guys know I love my Bissell Icon Pet cordless vacuum. That's always linked down in the description below. But for mops, I was really looking for something in this new house that's just as easily portable and just easily to just move around with. And I love this Bona mop from Target. I'll have it linked down below. It's just so easy to work with, and I love it, you guys. So if you're in the market for a new mop that's just easy to work with and move around through the entire house with without lugging around a bucket or whatever the case is, I'll link it down below. It is awesome.
Am I going too far? But I want you close, closer than before. But I want you close. Just need you to know that I want you.
So now we're just gonna pass through the living room. Really, there's just some tidying up to do, but one of the things that I really wanted to do, guys, you know, this new throw that I added to the living room from Target, the red one. Don't get me wrong, it is super cute and I love the red that it adds to the living room, but for $30 I feel that it should not shed as much as it does. You'll probably notice on my pants throughout the video that I have red stuff all over, red lint, and also my sofa just collected so much of it, so I'm using this lint roller to really go through it. And let me know your guesses down below right now how many sheets you think I'm gonna have to use to get this entire sofa lint free.
Would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love.
Guys, I kid you not, there's also red lint all over the carpet as well, so I did have to do a good vacuum. So guys, if you're at Target and you happen to see this throw with the little pom-poms, it's super cute, but if you do not like having lint all over, I would not suggest getting it. Okay y'all, another thing I wanted to do was vacuum my steps with a smaller attachment on my Bissell, because the bigger attachment does not get the corners and there's just a lot of lint, a lot of hair. Postpartum hair loss is still happening, you guys. A year later, I'm still waiting for it to slow down. So I'm just gonna get that situated, do the entire steps, and then also give it a nice mop.
Stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah. Till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, yeah.
Now we're heading into the second floor bathroom because this bathroom gets so neglected, you guys. Not the tub, because that's where my daughter bathes, so I kind of stay on top of that, but the rest of it just gets so neglected because it's not the bathroom that the guests use. It's not the first floor bathroom, so that one I kind of stay on top of, and I'm kind of guilty of abandoning the second floor one. Let me know if that's the same way for you guys. If you have 2 bathrooms, which one of them is the one that you neglect the most?
Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Guys, cleaning the bathroom and specifically the toilets are my least favorite task to do cleaning wise. Let me know down below what's your least favorite task. It is so nasty to me, but it's a necessity, especially not only just like the top, but like the base of the toilet. It gets so dusty, and if you neglect it, it's just a pain in the butt to clean, so you really got to stay on top of it.
You are conversation takes two.
Now I'm just going to be switching out a load to dry and one that is already done. I'm going to be folding. I just feel like there's always a load to switch out or load to fold. Laundry is never ending, so if you have any laundry, you guys, make sure you take that out right now and fold with me. But really quickly, I just want to remind you guys, make sure that you're cleaning your lint from your dryer every single time, you guys, every single time, because it can damage your dryer. And also, you guys, as you can see, I have all like my detergent on the floor because the laundry closet is so small. So I came up with this way. I'm actually doing like a hallway, a upstairs hallway console table with a mirror and all that stuff. I got the table and the mirror. I'm just really working on gathering the decor, but I'm gonna be kind of hiding my laundry detergent, all my laundry needs within that console table. So stick around for that. I'm so excited to do that because the hallway in this house is so big, way bigger than our previous house. So there's just so much space to decorate with console tables and plants and benches, and I'm so excited to do that.
Here it goes, with his humble act and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undeniable, undying ego. Oh, look, here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble act and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble act and everlasting ego.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow.
Now finally it is the end of the night and we're going back to that mixture, that baking soda mixture that we let really sink into the oven, and we're just gonna scrub our life away.
To wake up, yeah. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in without you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend.
Alright y'all, so it's later in the night and I was able to get it like this clean, but the black stain won't come out. But there's nothing stuck to there. If you touch it, it's smooth, but it's just, I guess it's burnt on and I don't know how to take it off. Leave suggestions in my comments. I feel like I ruined my oven on Thanksgiving, you guys. It was the grease that leaked from the baked macaroni. I think I overfilled the dish too much. I needed a taller dish. And this was a brand new oven, guys. I'm like so disappointed. Some of these stains won't come off. And then some things fell in here, like in this crack. This is the best I could get it though. I'm gonna try to get an oven cleaner. See if that works a little better. Leave me suggestions because guys, I'm like so disappointed. This is a brand new oven and I really want to restore it to its nice and newness the way it was when we moved in. So I'm just gonna put the racks back now and call it a night. Alright you guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that it motivated you and you enjoyed it, and if so, please do give it a like as that helps my channel a ton. And remember, if you're not subscribed already and you want to stick around for all the exciting things coming, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. I love you guys and I'll see you guys next week for the Winter Wonderland party prep with me.
I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go